Hello, everyone. Welcome back to JNXI Watch Unboxing. Today, we have something exciting to talk about, and that's the Benyar 5169M watch, a homage watch inspired by the iconic Rolex Daytona. This timepiece has been making waves in the watch enthusiast community, and we're going to dive deep into all its details. Before we delve into the Benyar 5169M's features, let's take a moment to appreciate the inspiration behind this exquisite homage. The Rolex Daytona is a symbol of precision, luxury, and timeless design. Known for its rich history in motorsports and its iconic appearance, the Daytona has captured the hearts of watch enthusiasts worldwide. The Benyar 5169 immediately catches the eye with its sleek, stainless steel case and a sapphire crystal dial window with striking black dial. The dial features 3 subdials that mimic the Daytona's signature layout. The watch also boasts a tachometer scale on the bezel, a nod to its racing heritage. The dial has a clean and minimalistic layout with luminous hands and markers for easy reading in any lighting condition. It's available in a variety of colors to suit your personal style. Now, let's talk about the key feature that sets the Benyar 5169M apart: the screw-down crown. This feature enhances the watch's water resistance and protects the movement from moisture and dust. It's a crucial element for those who lead an active lifestyle or prefer a watch that can withstand various environments. Now, let's talk about the features. One of the standout features of this watch is its water resistance of up to 30 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear and even light water activities. It also has a reliable quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping. Here are some key specifications. The watch has a 40 mm case diameter, a thickness of 12 mm, a weight of 135 grams, and a stainless steel oyster bracelet that's adjustable to fit most wrist sizes. The date function is a practical addition to help you keep track of your schedule. I've been wearing the Benyar 5169M for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a joy to have on my wrist. It's lightweight and comfortable, and the design complements both casual and formal outfits. The accuracy of the quartz movement has been spot on, and the watch has held up well in terms of durability. While it may not have the mechanical prowess of the Rolex Daytona, it ensures accurate timekeeping and requires minimal maintenance. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. The Benyar 5169M provides an opportunity to own a timepiece that captures the essence of the Rolex Daytona without the extravagant price tag. It's a budget-friendly alternative for those who appreciate fine watchmaking but have budget constraints. The Benyar 5169M stands as a remarkable homage to the Rolex Daytona, embracing its iconic design and offering practical features at an accessible price point. While it may not have the prestige and heritage of the Daytona, it's an excellent choice for watch enthusiasts seeking a blend of style and affordability. If you have any questions about the Benyar 5169, or if you own one yourself, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more watch reviews and other exciting content. That's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay stylish and keep an eye out for more watch reviews on channel. Take care, everyone.